Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so we're starting off with some chocolate because that's the bomb. But for real, I'm priming my eyes with some concealer. This is the Urban Decay concealer, the Naked concealer. Then I'm gonna use a cosmetic brush to just blend it out. To set my eyelids, I'm using the Smashbox contour kit, and I'm using that white shade there at the end. And an e.l.f. blush brush, just to, pack it on. For eyes today, I'm going to be using the Carly Bible palette. For primer today, I'm using the L'Oreal Lumi and the Dr. Brandt Luminize Primer, something like that. For foundation, today I'm using the new NARS foundation. It's super long name. It's like the NARS Radiant Longwear something something something. Well, I'm using that, and I'm using a little brush to apply it on my face because I was actually using a sample of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be cream contouring. I'm using the Jordana Sculpt and Go cream contour pen thing. Yeah, I'm using that. It's cool. It was like $2 from Walgreens. Get that. For concealer today, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer. It's literally the bomb. It has some good coverage or whatever, but it doesn't feel really heavy like the Shape Tape does.
All my hoes, break it up, break it down.
To set my under eyes, I'm going back in the contour palette and using that white shade from before. To bronze up the skin, I'm using that middle shade, you know, to bronze. And then to contour it using that ashier, more gray toned color. And to chisel out my contour more, I'm using that white shade again and putting it under my cheekbone as so. And for highlight, I'm using the Carly Bible palette, which is one of my most favorite highlights like ever. It's super affordable too, and you wouldn't even think that that would be super poppin', but it is. Check that out. Check it out. Wow, that is beautiful. Next up is brows, and I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, which is the best. To set these bad boys, I'm using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, which is like the most intense brow gel in the world. Like, your brows won't budge. And today I was feeling a little, you know, crazy. So I decided to try out those faux freckles, see what the hype is or whatever. So I just used that same brow pencil and just put a bunch of dots all over my face, and then used my foundation brush to kind of like blend it in a little bit so it's not so obvious or harsh. Okay, so I was feeling so crazy that I decided to do eyeliner, which I like never do because I suck at it and it's the hardest thing in the world. But anyways, I used the L'Oreal Telescopic eyeliner. It's pretty good. I think it's really liquidy, but it's like easier to work with, more like easier than a pen or marker thing, or like a gel, or like the pencil ones that you have to sharpen. You know, it's a little easier than that. Next up is lashes, my favorite, and I'm using this booty eyelash curler that's like 1,000,000 years old and it was probably like $2. Anyways, I'm using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which is honestly one of the best mascaras I've ever tried in my life, and I'm really picky about mascaras, so that says a lot. Then I'm showing you my eyes. Wow, look how pretty. Oh my god. So then for lipstick, I'm using this one from Ciate. It was like a a little sample one that I got from Ipsy. I do not remember the color. It's probably like pinup or something like that. The color rubbed off, so sorry about that. But yeah, lipstick. Okay, so my final step, I'm setting my face or makeup, whatever, with the Mara Badescu Rose Water. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a little comment and put on your post notification so you know when I post. Thank you.